I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making Gab2100 discoverable. This is essential. Make sure firmware is current and battery is above 20%, then power the unit on. Open Settings and navigate straight to Bluetooth to begin. Press and hold the dedicated Bluetooth button for 3 to 5 seconds until the LED flashes. That puts it into pairing mode. Once done, keep the device close to your phone or computer to maintain a strong signal while you proceed to the next step. On your phone or computer, enable Bluetooth and initiate a scan for nearby devices. You should see Gab2100 appear within a few seconds. Select Gab2100 from the list. Don't select a similar name. If a PIN or confirmation dialog appears, verify the code and accept the pairing so the devices can exchange keys securely. Once paired, the system may auto-connect. If it doesn't, tap Connect. Make sure to allow any permission prompts for audio or data so the link functions fully. Finalize the setup by confirming Gab2100 shows as connected in your Bluetooth settings and check that audio or relevant services are routed to it. Play a short audio clip to validate sound or run a quick data transfer test if applicable. If the device fails to connect, toggle Bluetooth off and on, then try reconnecting. This often clears transient errors. If problems persist, reset Gab2100 to factory Bluetooth settings and remove it from your phone's paired device list.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.